Hey, this is Matt Caswell from Multimedia Production Services. Okay, so you set up your project folder and the structure inside it. Now, let's go set up your project within Premiere Pro. So here we are at the desktop and we're ready to launch Premiere Pro. Hover your mouse over the dock at the bottom edge of the screen and click on the Premiere Pro icon. You'll see the icon animates and Premiere Pro will launch. Click the New Project button in the upper left of the workspace. Now you'll see the New Project window. This is where you'll name your project and set the project folder you had created earlier. Name your project in this field after the name of your assignment. It can be any working title you want, but for the sake of this demonstration, I'll be naming it Your Project Name in all caps. Select the Choose Location option from the Location drop-down menu. This is important because the location is your project folder we created earlier. Find the name of your external hard drive in this column and select it. These next few steps will confirm the path to the location of our project folder. Your project name should already be shown in the Save As field, but it's always good practice to double check. Always double check to make sure your external hard drive is selected. This is especially important because this is where your project folder and all your work will be kept and saved. Now select your project folder named after your assignment. To make it easy to find video projects that are still under construction, always name your project folder and file after said assignment. Select the Premiere Projects folder to save your project here. This folder can be used for projects still being edited. Click the Select button to set your project folder location. When everything with your project folder location has been checked and double-checked, click Select. Click the Create button and the Premiere workspace will launch. You have now created a Premiere project with your project folder connected. A blank project will open and you can now import your media files. Okay, well, I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you need any further instructions, please feel free to reach out to your instructor or check out the help menu options within Premiere Pro. If you have any further IT-related questions, please feel free to reach out to the Worcester State University IT Help Desk.